told your friend you're not okay? And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way.
Hello everybody, this is Tahina from Tahina Michelle Plans, and today I am going to unbox the seasonal surprise box for summer 2022. I was supposed to get this on Sunday, but it was delayed. It's always delayed for 2 days for some reason. But anyway, it's Tuesday and I'm going to show you the box anyway. So this is what the outside looks like. And I have the little card that tells you what is exclusive. I'm going to start off showing you the 2 sneak peeks that we actually got. Usually we get like 3 or 4, but this time we only got 2. So the first one that Erin Condren put up on Instagram was this. Was a landscaped journal with the productivity notes page. These are not, you cannot cut these out though, because I think when you get the notebooks they're perforated, but these are not. But you get a lot of pages. I don't know what I would actually use this for, but I would probably use this anyway. Like, I don't know, maybe notes for my shop or something like that. That was the first sneak peek, and this is exclusive to the box, so you can't get this anywhere else. Well, unless somebody that got the box is selling it. Okay, second sneak peek. Sorry for my lights. I got to get a new lighting system. You've seen this if you purchase the box. There's a little box where you can click on, and it'll show you what the sneak peek is. I do not have a ruler with me, but this is the notebook, and you can see how small the sticky notes are. I would say probably 3 inches by 2.5, something like that. And they're sticky from here up. I'm not really into self-care, but I like the habit tracker though. So I probably will end up using this, and this is a sneak peek. So this will be on the website. Well, not this particular version, because usually when it's a sneak peek, it's not the exact version. It's a different version of it. It might be in bloom or something like that, or it might just be a focused one. But it will be on the website sooner or later. It says this is worth $8. That's kind of high for a small note page thing, but okay, so now I'm just going to show you from, whatever. Okay, so next up is a manicure set. This is cute. I like when I'm trying to open this because I'm not sure if I'm going to keep this or not. But I can't open it and show you. I'll just open it. I'll probably end up keeping it anyway. This is cute. I like when they do cute stuff like this. The manicure set I'm not too thrilled with because I already have one. And I usually don't do my own nails. So, sorry for the glare if there's a glare. But comes with everything you need. Tweezers, the little scissors, the toenail clippers, the little thing for your cuticles, and the little filing thing. Yes, that was an exclusive. The next thing on the list kind of goes with the manicure set, which is the nail art stickers. Now this I'm probably not going to keep because I don't use these. I have nail art and they've been in my drawer for years. I usually don't use these. So I'm probably going to sell these. But if you're into that, it's really cute. This is an exclusive. Okay, so next up, this one I'm excited for because I really like these items. is this thing. And if you don't know what this thing is, this is actually a usable bag, which I think is cute because I love their bags. I do not have all of them. I'm still trying to see if I can get all of them. I'm missing 4 of their bags. I wish they would bring them back and do more designs because the bags are really cute. It's like the material of the other bags. I kind of want to say it's a little thinner than the other bags. Like, I kind of want to say like this part feels thicker than this part. So like this part is like kind of like the material of the other bags. But I like that it has a pocket in here and then the bigger pocket. I like this. A lot of people ain't gonna like this, but yeah, it's an exclusive. But I'll definitely use this. I'm happy about that one. Next, I'll show you the stickers. If you don't know, if you're new to EC, every seasonal box, you always get 2 sheets of stickers. I believe there's times where you might get more than 2 sheets, but you always get at least 2 sheets. And so these are the 2 sheets. Oh, I didn't realize one was gold and one was rose gold. And these sticker sheets are usually, like 90% of the time, are functional. Every now and then they'll have ones that will, like, you won't use them, like you can't use them functionally. Like they'll just be a bunch of flowers or something like that, like deco stuff. Or puffy stickers. I don't like puffy stickers, but they do that sometimes. But I like these. I have so many EC sticker sheets that I don't use. I need to start using them in my spreads. But I like these. And those are exclusive. Stickers are always exclusive. So the next up is a gel pen duo. Rainbow ones. We have a yellow with an orange and a pink. And then we have a purple with blue and some pink. I'm just going to use this envelope because it's right here. And let's see. Let's get this glue stuff off here. Okay, these are sneak peeks. So these are going to be on the website some type of way. They're probably not going to be the same colors. But they're probably going to have like a 10-pack or something. Okay, so I don't know if you can tell, but you can kind of see the pink and the blue and the purple go together. Because my box was late, I did watch a video. The persons who I watched, she did the pins, and her pins didn't come out like this. So I don't know if you can tell that, but mine actually come out in the colors. Because hers only came out orange and purple, which might have been because what was right there at the tip. Let's see how the orange works. Okay, see the orange is orange, but it's very faint. You can see a little bit of yellow and a little bit of it's like a red, not a pink, because it's mixing with the orange. I don't know if you can tell that or not. That's cool, I like that. So I don't have the gel pens that are already on the website. So I'm glad these are up here, because if those are as good as these ones, I'm probably going to get those gel pens. Okay, and the last item that I'd say maybe 25% to 50% of the time you would get these in the boxes, which is an exclusive cover. One time we did get an A5 cover, but usually they're 7x9 covers. And I'm glad it's in gold. Now, if it was in rose gold, I'm not really a rose gold fan. So if it was in rose gold, I probably would sell it. But because it's in gold, and I love gold, so I'm definitely going to keep this. So, my thoughts on this box. It wouldn't be my favorite box. My favorite box, I didn't even get the box. I missed out on the box. And I was so upset. But this box, I would say, out of everything I'd probably use, the only things that I'm not sure about is the nail stuff. So 2 out of the 8 items, it's not bad. So I would give this like a 80% rating of liking this one. Give me your thoughts on what you think of this box. Did you get the box? Do you always get the box? I'm scared of missing out on the boxes because there's a couple of boxes that I didn't miss out on, and every time I miss out on a box, it's a good box, or at least a box that I would love. Please like this video and subscribe, and I will see you next time.